koso wagodemo ane toso de se fata south na pa so ya boa na chini kufura ya de bra oneexpert.com de sia konkon sa na de ba oneexpert.com de and rasa matches ba so kopiemu e wo ye Zamalek ne lali game ni mu ana no den yes ba ko chire na bobresa ba ko tough chen ba ko and of course friendly games how do I basso in terms of the preseason games koso or clubs how do no akache and so with my discard go bottom tennis koso Wimbledon and of course other games koso and tennis horse racing dancing now oneexpert.com akache na with my discard go bottom and I think so no Gifas mixture can why in some there by Gifas or say papa Gifas yet your musani asore kura Gifas emo ejina nice so be me mu I want you to so pay more. Pay ni be quiet, set more gel and roll on. And on a quite be a son, a boy na, upin bia ate. Ako. Now, yes, someone say, Kejwana Cassani, Erica Sidu Body, Panel Party Butcher, Sergio Manucho, I'm going to producers and a pabia, many more. Ebana, your chassis if you be my sona, ya by fear behead your cosso, fina, and other canon ras now. Preseason on my chassis in Nuremberg and I dare pim so more a banner you know national in Nuremberg I bought 1-1 Kai Havertz to me be was so no kakra e wo game anymore draw in their preseason game we be there other games we so our preseason emo and preseason no to me sha for best season now trefabo we also it mission why start season na ja obogum ni ade ade preseason dia na honsam eye bebrela ni ade ani na mu na oneexpert.com akache na obene wodo ho beje na wa debate dia go bottom be say matches na also don't leave yourself in your disca go bottom oneexpert.com na yan copy mo world 2026 FIFA World Cup na betum say qualifiers now enche be chassis now the 13th and 21st of November yes qualifiers now say for the 2026 FIFA World Cup now qualifiers now ya be boa na ese ye into group mu na feed ye no se na ye kan kan kono de group ni ya besemu atesemu anya sam keto akra say World Cup ranka san ya team e call more teams and as more countries in Africa be bro 5 na be call ti kwambia so no groups na ba be tomu Ghana ye group I ye ne Mali, Madagascar, Central African Republic, Comoros and a Chad na man force we dey say Wufa pai ti o ye ne Mali, Madagascar, Central African Republic, Comoros, and Chad. We are better top group and automatically we qualify. Now, best second place teams. The move 9 playoff near her Wombeko Kauna. Yeah, the Akusi Africa and Nemo. Now, draw number 2, Jano, Baby Jetta Samoa Jan, one a former captain at my Black Stars. So say on paper, I say yeah, wolf, but I don't know easy. So we get Ghana, but my qualify.
I think since 2006. When we qualified for the first time till 2022. I think we have been very consistent, except in 2018 that we didn't qualify. And it looks like we are getting used to the World Cup right now. And 2026 is not going to be easy. Expectation is high back home, but we will try our possible best to make sure we also qualify.
Right, the baby Jetta Samoa Jan somebody to graph far drawing on the Ghana group I say wolf senya wolf and crabia and I bet you now young correct the other groups our World Cup are there anymore how to say yes a big group ni man win sepa Ghana our I yene Mali, Madagascar, Central African Republic, Comoros and Chad but you other groups no group ABC and DEF and the Akaka now A Egypt, Burkina Faso, Guinea-Bissau, Sierra Leone, Ethiopia, Djibouti in Group A. On paper, we have saying Egypt to cover. I don't know scenario in the Group B. There's Senegal, Congo, DR, Mauritania, Togo, Sudan, and South Sudan. Group C, Nigeria, South Africa, Benin, Zimbabwe, Rwanda, and Lesotho. And we have Group C. Now, Group D, Cameroon, Cape Verde, Angola, Libya, Eswatini, and Mauritius. Now, and here Group D. Group E, Morocco, Zambia, Congo, Tanzania, Niger, and Eritrea. There's the Adom de Mohabejim. Group F, Cote d'Ivoire, Gabon, Kenya, the Gambia, Burundi, and Seychelles Island. We Group F. Now called GHI. Now Group G, Algeria, Guinea, Uganda, Mozambique, Botswana, Somalia. Group H, Tunisia, Equatorial Guinea, Namibia, Malawi, Liberia, Sao Tome, and Principe. Na Ghana team Group I. Yani Mali, Madagascar, Central African Republic, Comoros, and Chad, and a day so in Group I. Shannon Sumame, say sa ye ball na one better topic group na asamebo playoff to say that in Nigeria e ball na no adam say be ni ho sabium e one better topic groups ni na be qualify ko na pe playoff no so de no e dey ho kan won ya one be qualify for the World Cup. Said more gel and roll on the 2 pin beer if you said more 4 can one up na and some na dear brown and copy mo our Ghana Football Association na no mo congress before congress then some question say here a filing fee for the presidency na face on executive council and vice president why about to be I say atum kakra just enya some keto akra and he say here okopie mo the presidency ya uni be 50,000 Ghana cedis ya untumi konko president also about say president now ora Randy Abe and then some kakra to your executive council member now watch them say boni bi anim
Mrani say it is only Congress that can impose fees. Executive Council no can only propose. Mrani say Executive Council shareholders no where Congress for no. Momunsankan documents no 14 days before the Congress. Into their common was a proposal. Congress and take a decision. Ya Mrani say we are Congress ni now receive documents no. Now we a different view or a counter proposal to the proposal that has come, you submit your counter in writing to the General Secretary. No member submitted anything contrary to the proposal from the ESCO. So what is the issue? Every single member of Congress was given the document. Nobody, no member of this Congress submitted a counter proposal to the GFA. So why is there even a controversy over this? If you're a member and you disagree with the proposal, it is a proposal. Obi can submit the proposal. Your rights as a member, they say, if you disagree, you can also submit a counter proposal. So I want to assume on the basis of Niama Miti or radios who said there are members who disagree. But we all as members know, say, if I disagree, this is what I'm supposed to do. But we've come here at Congress, the General Secretary has announced to everybody, say, we never received anything. So where is the disagreement or the counter from? What it presupposes is that no member of Congress sees anything wrong with it. That's what it means.
Right, Randy Abe, then somebody to Janono, Executive Council member, and someone now. You go soon Ghana Football Association, this week, you launched the Ghana Football DNA. Actually, say na Ghana ebe boy ball. Ananya some keto akra bibi na show madwin ho. Prosperity Ogumi, former coach, Mama Tema Kumasa, and Koroko assistant coach at the local Black Stars and answer the Black Galaxy. So say Abayipa.
As a goalkeeper, you always need to be ready. And
the fact that going forward we'll be able to have one particular way of playing when our national teams are playing, when our clubs are also playing on the continent, we can see that this is Ghana or this team is coming from Ghana. So that's my impression. The fact that coaches are going to train players in a particular way so that they behave in a particular way on the field is my joy.
Right, Prosperity Ogum, coach. Our my no so she said DNA na bayi pa ni ade yanko yemfa yede yenche the Black Queens of Ghana me patro mu gina kono the Olympic Games qualifier ne Guinea Empire na edwa Ghana betumi a qualifier na se ntimi qualifier men crab ya na be chena goalkeeper Cynthia Fendi ojidi yesa Ghana Guinea betumi ya ho adwuma.
As a goalkeeper, you always need to be ready. And Black Queens, we work as a team, so we know what we can do. And we know what our coaches have given us. So if we put everything into practice, definitely, I would say Guinea will be a step over. You are under pressure because you are a supporter and you are sitting back home. I'm not under pressure. No. I don't need to fear my opponents. So, all right.
The Black Queens of Ghana, I didn't know we are on Guinea. And a day up so we be na so right now no pay in some nasi mako bomb richo kakra and say I hot pa me pe brodo be say ya kan brodo no me mian say unse kitam frat anya frat be say fu 20 Ghana dey ba ko no mian sa me dey bomb richo ko so no pay Yes, onexpert.com. Can you so now? There is some idea, bro. We better at onexpert.com. And I don't change. I G-fast measure. More general so be me. No general so be me. G-fast measure can one open the bro. Sedimon gel and roll on. No call drugstore so per sedimon gel and roll on. And on ne papa no be to pin be idea fee or body the money. Makwe. And yes, ya konkona. And then some no idea, bro. You man, Sergio Manocho. Bana Padibotre. I'm a producers. Fanankasa kanke juane ho. Erica Sidu body near feed anti anyone it say. And I was a pebble tado. Na bibia koye. Koso hebedwem.